Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ashley. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to do this skeleton look right here that my friend drew for me. I asked some friends on Snapchat to draw me some makeup looks, and I had so many requests, so I decided to turn a couple of them into some videos. And the real video will be coming on the 31st. Make sure you stay tuned for that video when it comes out. Before we get into this skeleton look, make sure to hit the red subscribe button down below. Also be sure to hit that bell so you get notified every time I post a new video. Be sure to like, comment down below what you'd like to see next, and let's get started. Okay, so I went ahead and put on my brows just to save some time. I'm going to go into the eye look first. Just going to use the James Charles palette. I'm just going to take this brush right here and just dip into this orange shade right here, 518. I'm just going to put this on the inner corner of my eye. I'm just going to go into this red shade right here, You're Kidding. I'm just going to put that on the center and outer portions. And then now I'm just going to go into this orange shade, Rested. I'm just going to take that on the center of the lid and blend the two together. The lighting's weird, it's because it's dark time now. I ran out of storage on my phone, so I've been spending like all afternoon deleting stuff to make more storage space. So that's what the eyes are looking like right now. So now we're going to go into the black shade, Spooky. Take a little bit of the black on a fluffy brush and just kind of tap it in the outer corner area. I kind of want to run it a little upwards as well, through the crease but not all the way. I had to do lashes and liner off camera. That's what we're looking like so far. I'm going to put some moisturizer on. This is the e.l.f. Daily Hydration Moisturizer. 2 pumps. I'm going to go in with this e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. Just spray my face with this Hard Candy Matte Setting Spray. I'm just going to tap it in. Go with my Kat Von D Lock-It Translucent Powder. And on this big fluffy brush, I'm just going to lightly dab powder all over my face. I'm just going to go into my Kat Von D Lock-It Foundation in the shade Light 44 Cool. I just do 2 pumps. Just taking it on this e.l.f. sponge. Just going in with my Tarte Shape Tape in the shade 12N Bare Neutral. Just going back in with that translucent powder from Kat Von D, set the rest of my face. Go into my ABH face palette. This is in the shade Italian Summer. I'm just going to go into the bronzing shade and just bronze my face. I'm just going to do my lower lash line real quick. I'm just going to do the same thing that I did in the crease in the bottom using the same colors. We go with the orange first. I'm going to use this new palette that I got for blush and highlighter. I got it in an Ipsy bag today. It is the Pacifica brand. They are vegan and cruelty free, and this is in the shade the Glimmer Shimmer and Firelit. Super cute. So I'm just gonna go into the blush first, and then just, that's a super pretty color. They also have mirrors on the back of these duos, in case you're wondering why I was looking at the back of it. That's gorgeous. Well, I love that. And now for the highlighter. That's pretty. Now I'm just going to spray some of this Morphe Extra Restore setting spray to set what I have on my face right now. So this is the glam portion of this look. So now we're going to go into the skeleton part of this video. I'm going to make the contour darker down here. So I'm just gonna go into a black shade and tap off the excess and just kind of tap a little bit on there, and then I'll blend it out. I'm gonna drag it forward actually and make that shape. Cover my lips with some concealer. I'm gonna take the Jeffree Star white lipstick. I'm just gonna start making new lines at the mouth. You want to do white teeth instead of white lines. I don't think I'm digging it. So I'm just gonna go in with a black eyeliner and just go over all the white lines with black. Okay, I'm definitely liking the black a lot better. Still gonna go in with the lipstick and just make teeth. Just gonna take this little fluffy brush right here and just with black, just gonna tap over that little area. Just gonna add a little more black around the face. Okay, so the last and final step for this look is the blood coming out of the eyes. That is what she drew. Just gonna take my fake blood, use that. Oh, too much, too much. Here's the final look. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for drawing this makeup look for me. I had a lot of fun doing this look. So if you have not yet already, make sure to go ahead and hit that red subscribe button. Make sure to hit that bell so you get notified every time I post a new video. Make sure to like, comment down below what you'd like to see next, and yeah, bye.